Good evening, everyone. So today, as Group 2 of Viscom Shift 2 students, we are going to do a team building activity. It's called Snapshots of Life. So I'm going to introduce the group members now. First group member, Vishnu Kamal, 20 UVC 106. Second, Oliver Renwick, 20 UVC 107. Third, Prince David, 20 UVC 108. Fourth, Sheba Sharon, 20 UVC 109. Last, Shanaz Misbah, 20 UVC 110. So, all of us are going to share a photo and we are going to talk about the photo. It's a memory or our dreams. So I'll be starting. The photo was taken on the last day of my 12th standard excursion. It is one of an unforgettable memory because it was the last day and all of us were sad because we were about to leave. But we decided that we'll make the best of the moment and make it an unforgettable experience. It was my first time away from family. So they made it really memorable. They made sure I felt happy and they made sure it was an unforgettable experience. Some friendships are rare and really special, so I'm really happy that I got to make such a happy memory with them. My second photo is this. This photo represents both a memory and a dream. It's a very special memory because it represents the phase of life that I spent in Dubai. And overall, this building it's called Burj Al Arab. It's located in Dubai. And it was a very windy day when this picture was taken. It's a day view and night view, and it has a lot of memories behind it because during holidays my family and neighbors and all, we used to go to the park. We used to pack lunch and snacks, and after that we used to visit the beach and see the view and visit this building. And my dream, it represents a dream because when I left Dubai, it was really abrupt and really sudden. So I want to visit Dubai again and re-experience all these memories. Thank you. Next, I'll be handing it over to Sheba.
Hi guys, I'm going to talk about this photograph, and this was when I traveled to Norway in 2019. Since I was a kid, I used to love traveling. I used to love roaming around. Even if it was like a 20-minute drive, I'd just like hop on because I just love to roam. And the main reason I love to travel is because we get to explore and learn. Learning is one of the strongest reasons to travel, and you get to appreciate life. It brings out like a different perspective, and you start appreciating life. You also meet new people, and like, you know, when you meet people, you'll come to know that your world isn't like the same as everyone else's. It brings out a sense of accomplishment and like a rush of, you know, you get this rush. It gives you a new outlook on life. And speaking of meeting people, this is one of the photograph I took when I traveled in 2017. And it's just a random person sitting. I didn't know what was going on with him, but I just took this photograph and then I went and spoke to him. And apparently he was actually depressed and he was going through something. So you never know what people are going through. You just have to be kind with each other. This taught me so much about mental health. I realized so much about mental health and how important it is. And so I want to tell people that mental health is so important. So just be kind to everybody, and because you never know what they're going through. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. Over to Vishnu.
Hi guys. So the first photo I'm going to talk about is the best picture. It's a photo of me, my mom, and my dad. So having a happy and supportive family is the best privilege one can have, and I've been blessed with the most loving and doting parents ever. Right from my childhood, they have been the only constants who have guided me and given me a go-ahead for every single decision I take in my life, trusting me and my abilities to the fullest. They have made sure that I reach my maximum potential by encouraging me at every given instance and also pointing out my shortcomings when I falter. The fact that they are behind my back to back me up is what keeps me going every single day. And that is what is the thing which motivates me also. I admire the cool-headed, yet the righteous attitude that my parents possess. I strongly believe that they have been the reason for the amazing equation that we share as a family. My parents' constant emphasis on enjoying life with full freedom, as long as I'm safe and happy, has enabled me to have the utmost fun along with the responsibility. They have wholeheartedly supported all my decisions and are supporting my dreams and aspirations too. They have been a driving force when I expressed my thoughts of getting into the Tamil film industry. And my dream is to get into the Tamil movie industry. For every person who wants to get into the movie industry, their dream will be to see their name on the big screen. So is my dream. My dream is to see my name on the big screen with thousands of people sitting and cheering when my name comes there. Thanks, and I'm sure I'll achieve my dream one day. Thanks a lot. Now, next, we have Oliver.
Hi guys, I'm going to talk about this photo. This is my dream place, which is called Greece. Greece is a great country to explore because of the ancient ruins and wonderful ancient architectural stadium, which held the first Olympic Games actually. And I want to go to Athens in Greece because it is the birthplace of everything like democracy and philosophy. And I want to go to the Platonic Academy, which is formed by Plato. He's a great teacher for all, and he was lived 2,500 years ago. And this is my second photo in ancient Athens stadium. It is one of my memories of my uncle, which was a great architect, and he talked about this stadium, and he talks about how the singing, artistic singing will be like in the stadium and everything about that. It's a great place to explore actually. Thank you, and moving on to Prince David.
Hi guys. So my first photo is a memory with my friend. I love to play football with my friends. My friends support me a lot and I really love them. So after 2 months of quarantine, we finally met on 31st May. We had a very great time playing football. So this picture is very special to me. And my second picture is my dream destination. This is a picture of a music festival in Las Vegas. I personally love dance music. So this place is a dream destination for all dance music lovers around the world. Thank you. Shanas will now continue.
Thank you so much, guys. So this is the summary. This snapshots of life team building activity was a group assignment. Through this group assignment, we were able to connect to each other. We viewed each person's memories and dreams, so we got to understand each other well. And this team building activity focuses on each a photo that represents a memory or a dream. We had to talk about it, and there were certain struggles while doing this because it was on a virtual platform, and we had to conduct it. We had to discuss together. So earlier we made few meets, around 2 to 3 meets, and this team building activity was possible because of the discussions that took over through those 2 to 3 meets. We discussed a lot, like how we are going to conduct the meet and what time. So through this, we formed teamwork, we coordinated and cooperated. So while ending this with a sweet note, thank you all for making this possible. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, guys.